So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the FelPro engine oil pan gasket. It's OS30804. I'm not sure if that's a part number or anything, but yeah. So I got this one is for the 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit. So last time I did a video with the end scope. I did a test on that, and then I found out there's a leak around the oil pan. So hopefully it's the gasket. I should look into further, but anyway, I got this as a good deal, $18.03 plus free shipping and then tax. So the total is $19.61 with the tax. Other sellers was selling this similar item for around like $30 to $38. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. I believe it comes with 3 of the lubricant tube. Not sure why it comes with this big case or box. Oh. A box within a box. So this is brand FelPro. That's a number right there. Oil pan set. .5 liter gasket sets. I don't know, since it has been open, so let's check it out. Better not be a custom return, so what the heck? So it comes with 3 tubes of this black RTV silicone. And it's 0.5 ounce or 14 gram. So yeah, make sure it's not being punctured. Looks good. So yeah, some other people were saying that they didn't put the gasket, and then they just add the RTV to seal trying to make it seal, but it didn't work. So you need to use this and also apply the RTV. Okay. And make sure when your oil pan has to be dry and clean before you apply the silicone. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.